guys, so welcome back to a new vlog. I'm so excited to be vlogging again. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. I've been watching a lot of vlogs. I'm just like, oh, like I want to be vlogging. I don't know why, like I feel like excited. It's like weird that I'm stoked to be vlogging. So I hope you guys are excited too. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys want vlogs, more vlogs, more vlogs. I think I'm realizing that vlogs are my favorite videos to film, and I think they're slowly becoming your guys' favorites to watch. Comment down below what you guys think. Should I stick to the vlog life? My hair is kind of, I don't know what's going on here. I am currently packing. I'm pretty much packed up. I'm just finishing up. I'm headed to Calgary today for my first ever Stampede experience with Coca-Cola. I'm so freaking excited. I was just in Calgary not too long ago, and that was actually my first time in Calgary. So this is my second time in Calgary, first Stampede. The flight is only about 45 minutes. So we'll be there shortly. Ready to roll. So I just parked my car at the parking lot at the airport, and I think I just missed a shuttle, so I'm probably gonna be here for like 15 minutes, but it is so nice out right now. Welcome to Calgary. I just checked into my hotel room, and I believe I'm staying right downtown, I think. All the fun Stampede activities don't start until tomorrow, so I just have a chill evening tonight. It's already like 5 p.m, so I'm gonna order in some food and just chill. Food is on its way. It should be here any minute. This is a big wrap. Thumbs up, it's delicious. It's still sunny out, so I think I'm gonna go out really quickly. I'm gonna try to find a specially marked Coca-Cola bottle so I can show you guys how to scan and win summer prizes. So I'm just gonna go run out real quick. I'm just realizing that I'm right beside the train tracks. Trains keep going by me. I'm like, what is that sound? Whenever I need to prop up my camera on something when I'm in a hotel room, I always use the tissue boxes. In this case, a tissue box tin. It usually props you to the height that you want. Perfect. So keep your eyes out for these bottles that Coca-Cola is circulating at the moment. I could pretend that I didn't match my nails for this trip, but I definitely did. So the bottles you are looking for, they're gonna say Unlock Summer, and then it's gonna have this little scan code here. On your Facebook app, you're going to open your Messenger. I don't really wanna show you all my messages, but so in the Messenger app, there is a camera icon on the bottom. And so you're gonna go to take a photo, but you're just gonna hold down the screen instead of actually clicking the photo. And then it's gonna bring you to this. Then it sends you a little message. Hey, my name's Summer. Want to see if you'll win a prize to make your summer next level? And I do. So I'm gonna click thumbs up. Lit, here we go. First, are you at least 13 years? Yes, I'm over 13 years old. Now just open up your camera in Messenger and take a pic of the pin code under the cap. Ready for the satisfying sound? So refreshing. So when you look inside your cap, there's going to be some letters. You can also enter it manually. So my prize is this Spotify playlist. So that's how you enter it, super easy, and there's a lot of cool, there's a lot of cool prizes to be won. And a little insider's information, since I am a Much creator, I know that Coke is gonna be sending some people to the MMVAs this year. If that is something that interests you, that is up for grabs. Good morning, so it is a brand new day. Today is Thursday. I just got a little welcome package dropped off. We have a bucket filled with different Coca-Cola flavors, and then this one, we've got a cowboy hat and a bunch of other goodies. Okay, so we're heading to the Stampede in a moment, but first I'm going to Smithville, where I'm here right now. I'm about to get a hat custom fitted to my head. Forgot to get a belt, and all the shorts that I wear, or all the shorts that I packed, are like too wide around my waist. So I'm gonna try to find a belt Gonna try to look for a dress, and then we're gonna head over to the Stampede. I've just returned back to my hotel. I totally forgot to vlog while I was out. Shopping was a success. I found a belt, and I have a really hard time finding belts that fit around like this part of my waist. Like when I wear high-waisted shorts, I want something that like cinches in, not like a hip belt, if that makes sense. So I found this one in the size extra small, and it works perfectly. Found this really cute shirt that has this tie-up at the front, and then this denim jumper dress that I'm going to wear over top of this shirt. So we've just made it to the Stampede, and it smells like buttered popcorn. It smells so good. We're just gonna take a look around right now. We're also filming some stuff, and then there's some shows like concerts tonight, so that should be so fun. And now we're gonna watch the fireworks. We came up to this hill, and there's a really sweet view of like all of the fairgrounds. Good morning. So it is day 2. Well, I guess day 3, but day 2 for going to the Stampede. So I'm just having some breakfast right now and getting ready. I just need to like fix up my hair a bit. So for breakfast, I'm having some steel cut oats with apple and cinnamon. I'm about to do the zip line. Didn't realize till now how high this actually is. All the way up. Now, and I thought I'd just do a little outro for this vlog. So shout out to Coca-Cola. Thank you guys for partnering with me on this video. I feel like Tika wants to say hi. It's been a while since she's been on the channel. Tika, people are saying that they miss you. We haven't seen you in a little while. Bless you. But I'm home now, and I have a lot of content that I'm excited to start working on. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video for more vlogs, and we will see you guys all really soon. Bye guys.